Welcome to Website Wednesdays, and I'm just going to do something here for a minute that not a lot of people do, but working on my pride. So I'm going to beg you, please watch this video, and when you're done, please go to getspanish.com. We're offering an incredible service. We are helping companies and businesses and sales professionals transition their current marketing to bilingual marketing. The primary way we do this is by translating the copy on your website from English to Spanish or vice versa. Website Wednesdays. Let's get into it. Okay, want to go over some statistics with you. Don't be a statistic. Unless it's a positive statistic, then you can be a statistic. Around 71% of small businesses have a website. Off note, there's millions in that 29% of businesses that don't have a website. If you don't have a website, get your game up. Poor user experience drives over half of your customers to go with their competition. Nearly 40% of people will stop engaging with a slow website. So you complainers out there complaining about paying $70, $150 for your hosting, don't complain, okay? It's getting you more business. Over half of e-commerce revenue is generated on mobile. Oh, we don't do e-commerce. Do e-commerce and make sure your site works on mobile. Half of Google searches are for local businesses. That's 30,000 searches for local businesses a second. 30,000 searches for local businesses a second. The Hispanic community makes up a very significant portion of all these statistics, and they want to do business with your website. They want to do business with you, and they want to read what you have to say about your product, your services, your offers, and your business information. We want to feature somebody that already has their website translated in Spanish, and you probably know them well, Rafi Law Group. If you don't know that business, look them up, or just look at any billboard, bus stop, or bus, or Facebook. They're all over the place. He spends millions of dollars annually on advertising and marketing. He's all over the place, and one thing that's very, very interesting to me is that he has his website translated in Spanish. And so I just have to draw the parallel between large success and large advertising and large marketing to having something that serves the Hispanic community. There has got to be a lot of business and a lot of money flowing through that strategy. This wraps up our Website Wednesdays. Don't be one of these. Okay? I'm coming to a business near you to get your website translated. Get your game up, get bilingual, getspanish.com. Thanks.